Farm life. 2 full round bales. Goats, of course, they're up on it. They love it. Craziness. Oh yeah, by the way, when you have your good sneakers on, people, you got your good sneakers on, you live on a farm, do not step in that. They love their hay. On bale number 2, 3 actually on the front of the tractor. Yeah. Yeah. Farm life, baby. You can dig it or you can not dig it. Just don't step in those though. That'll ruin a good pair of shoes quick. What's that? And this is what this new does on Farm Life days. God, let's see it. Yeah. I don't know what that was, dude. That was terrible. That's not a front flip. You're not landing on your feet.
I don't know how to.
Oh, they love their hay. Gazoo, look up. They'll eat from the top, they'll eat from the side. They'll pull it apart. Youngsters learning. They got their climbers, they're all happy, bouncing around. Look at that little guy. What's up there, little guy? Huh? What's that, your mommy up top? Where's Jabberwocky? It's Jasmine. Jab, where you at, girl? You got soccer championship today. Should be saving that energy. Yeah, is that so? Farming, empty pockets farming here. Animals everywhere, fat as hell. At least our pockets aren't fat. Peace out, people, we love you. Go check out the channel, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff for YouTube.